Hi everyone. Hi. Okay, so today we are going to do our first chapter, relation and function. I hope I've told you guys already, right? So come on, quickly let's just share my screen. Let's just begin with it. Just give me 1 second now. Okay, yeah. I hope we are live on both the pages. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah, okay. So let me introduce myself again. Myself Harsh. Those who know me already, they know that I've been tutoring from past 3 years, and those who don't, you can check out the description. The first live video I've told about myself over there, as well as you can follow me on Insta. I will put the link in the description if I remember that, and you guys can follow my Twitch account or YouTube account to study live with me. Okay, come on, let's begin now. Just a second. Okay, yeah, okay, it's perfect. Let me just check both the accounts if someone's live, and let's just begin with it, right? We'll just wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll begin with our class. We'll wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, so over here the chat is also working. I am new on YouTube, I'm new on Twitch, so you guys can follow me as well. Firstly, you can obviously see how the class goes, and if it's helpful for you, then do follow. And like and subscribe, obviously. Okay, like and comment, yeah. Sorry, I don't know much, yeah. I'm not very active on these platforms as of now. Just give me 1 minute. We are just checking the health of the stream and then we will begin with it. Okay, you guys can chill around for 2 more minutes. Need to see this as well. You might have a small class, not a full lengthy class, because the light went off. So yeah, I don't know how long the class will be as of now. As discussed, 7 to 9 we'll meet every day. I'm just opening the sections so that okay, so I guess the YouTube stream is going right. Just need a minute, huh? Sorry, I'm new to all this, so I face some issues. You guys can just skip it when you'll see. Yeah, now it's working fine. Now I can see everything. Yeah, all cool, all cool. Let me see this out. Here we are. Okay, it's going perfect. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Share the link quickly. I will add the time and the timestamp so you guys can thank me later. That class begin at that time. Okay. We need to make some settings so everybody will join. Or I will just edit the video and see how it goes. Okay. I probably won't be editing the video. I'll just because it will be visible for me as well. Yeah. So before beginning with the chapter, I would like to discuss about relation and functions. I hope you guys are aware about relation and function. Okay, I'm here, new over here, but you guys, can you please reply about relation and functions? At least I guys need some reaction to take the class going. We can't live in a dead class. Yeah. So let's just talk about relation and functions firstly. We will study relations first. So just begin with the PDF. Come on, come over here, everyone. Look at the PDF now. Okay. So relation between two set. You want to see relation means, by the way, relation means something that is related to each other. Very correct. We are related to each other. So we have something in common or anything like that. Okay. Very good. Now see how two sets can be related. Let A is equals to 1 by 2, 1 comma 2, B is equals to A comma B. So relation set will be, it will be 1 comma A, then 1 comma B, then 2 comma A, right? And then 2 comma B, right? I hope everyone is following till here, right? So this will be a relationship. Now empty relation means that there will be no value in the set. Like let's say this value would have been nothing over here. We would have nothing in common, nothing to make a relation. Then it would have been a relation, empty set. We will see the example later on because I will have to tell you a little more conditions before seeing the example. What to say. So before doing that, I would like to go a little ahead. Firstly, we'll go through the, don't worry, we won't have this dull class. We'll just go through the PPT for some time. And then after that, we will be discussing very practically and morally over here. We'll discuss questions and we will see how it goes. And if you guys feel that there needs to be any changes, you think something interesting can be done over here, do tell me, okay? That would be much better. I am very open to accept changes from you guys. Okay, so let's just do this. Let's just do a question given set A and B. We need to list possible relations. Now, how do we do it? We can just come over here. Yeah. A is equals to 1, 2, and 3. B is equals to A and B. Okay. Now we need to find relation over here. So to make it easy for you, you guys can do it like this. I hope you guys are aware with matrices and determinants or something like that. You must have heard, right? So we will focus on that particular aspect only. Or we can do 1, 2, 3. Starting only you have to do it. After some time you will be catching hold of it and you won't need to do all this. 1, 2, 3, 2 times 5, 1 with A and then with B. So now no value will be left. Anyone who's judging my writing, please understand this is not a notebook and I am a human too. Okay, so this is how you will do it. Now let's just come back to our PPT. So we are seeing types of relations. Empty relation, universal relation, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Now chapter is mostly related to all of this, the part of relation. Then we have one more topic. So if I talk about these 5 relations, the first thing that we can address over here is empty relation. Now empty relation, what will it have in common? There will be no pairs of A comma B in the relation, like null relation, like there will be no value in the relationship. Okay, so that will be empty relation. Now I would like you guys to give me an example of empty relation and after that I'll tell you something. Okay, Come on, everyone, be quick. I will just give you guys a minute, okay? I won't wait for long. Come on. Okay, everyone. So now see, I will give you guys the example. Yes, your example is correct. Very good. So see, huh. So we can think of a set that is having a even number which is divisible by wait, a odd number divisible by 2. So you guys need to make a set of odd numbers divisible by 2. Can you guys do that? What will be the value? Exactly. So that will be your empty set. Then your universal set. A universal set will have all possible pair of values like we made a parent set, let's say like this. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if any set will have all these value in uh like all four values in it, so it will be called universal set. If we are talking about this particular Venn diagram, like you can just imagine a Venn diagram and do it over there. Wait, I will do it for you guys. Imagine a Venn diagram, and that set is equals to cover the whole Venn diagram. Like let's say this is our Venn diagram. So if we have number of sets, but there is one set like this, which is able to cover the whole Venn diagram. Okay, so this set of black color will be your universal set because it is able to cover every like all the elements of the diagram, right? So that will have a universal relation. Empty relation will be that will have having no value inside this particular rectangle. Now we need to come to the important part: reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. I hope till here everyone is clear. Give me a yes or no. Just say something. Okay, if everyone is clear, we move ahead. What I'm saying is reflexive set. Okay, now for reflexive set I have an example with you guys. Can you guys see over here? 1, 1, 2, 2. So yeah, your first value and your second value will be same. That is the match over here. Your first value and your second value will be the same for your reflexive set. There's nothing very different over there. That is the only thing we need to follow, that your first value and your second value will be same for the reflexive set. I'm repeating it again and again. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. All these will be your reflexive set. Am I clear? Just give me two examples of reflexive set. Your numbers would be ranging from 3 to 11. You can give me any two sets that will be reflexive. Just two. Okay. Come on, everybody, be quick. Let me just see the chat as well. Is there anything in the chat? Hopefully, if there is anything, nah. Is there anything in the chat over here? Nah. Welcome, guys. Welcome. You guys can type in the chat. I can see some of you guys in my Twitch account as well. There is someone you guys can type. You can have a chit chat. A chit chat. Anything related to study, yeah, we can. Nothing else. Okay. Okay. Just did something, I don't know. Yeah, okay. Now let's just move ahead. Reflexive set is done. Now we'll go for symmetric set. For symmetric sets, we look in that particular array, like all the sets. We need to find a set like this. If we have 1 comma 2, we need to find 2 comma 1. So if we have x comma y, we need to find y comma x. Sorry, it's very easy, right? Need to find y comma x. We need to find the exact, like the digits have changed their places, like this. This we need to find. This is your reflexive set. 1 2 2 1. Okay. Reverse places. We can say that. I hope reflexive is clear, symmetric is clear. We'll just give you a example from this. Tell me this is reflexive or not. Tell me this set is this particular set. Wait, it is a bit hazy at some places. Let me see if this is visible to you guys or not. Yeah, it is. Okay, tell me if it is reflexive or not. Everyone be quick. You guys just have 2 minutes. Yeah, perfect. Come on, be quick, everyone. I won't wait for long. Okay, very good. Yeah, it is reflexive. You guys are right. No, no. It doesn't work that way. That you need to have 2, 3, and 3, 2 as well. You have 3, like 1, 3, and 3, 1. Nah. That's not needed. That's not needed. 1, 3, and 3, 1 are not needed. It's good if it's there. Obviously, I agree, but it's not needed. Okay. Yeah. If we have 1 2 and we have 2 1, if we have 2 3 and we have 3 2, so that's fine. We are not having any pair left. Like if in case we have over here 1 3 and 3 1 must have not been present, then you can say that it is not symmetric. You must have been correct. But in this case, like if it is not there, it is symmetric. Okay, it is symmetric and it is reflexive. Now we are coming to the last part, that is transitive. Okay, and after we are done with it, we will go come to questions. We'll do questions for some time, and then we'll move ahead with the topic. Don't worry, you don't have many topics in your NCRT class 12. We only have around 12 to 13 topics. We don't have many topics in this chapter. Like even including the smaller topics, we only have 12 to 13 topics. So it's all chill, buddy. So you don't need to worry. Okay, so transitive says that if we have AB and BC, like AB and BC, please pay attention, B is common in both of them, are in relation, then AC must be in a relationship as well. So what they mean? The second element of the set is related to the first element of the other set. So you will have first and the third element. First element of first set and the last element of second set will also be in a relationship. Okay, just like 1 2 and 2 3. So we need to have 1 3, right? Then it will be called transitive. Hope I'm clear. Can we move to the questions now? Yes. Okay, I'll bring some questions for you guys. Not bring questions. I'll just I'm already having them. Just open the questions file. Okay, it's not opening over here. Wait, let me just copy paste for you guys. You just try it yourself, then I'll tell you if you guys are going right or wrong. Okay, and after that, once we are done, please make sure that this chapter is easy. You all will get through the chapter, but the main part or the difficult part comes when you have to present it. So we will do for presentation as well. Presentation we'll do it afterwards. We'll go definitely differently for the presentation, and we'll go through that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the question is not very easy. So if you guys don't get it, don't feel disheartened. If you guys get it, bro, you're killing it, bro. Well done. Don't be overhyped as well. Not killing it, but this is your question. Do it quickly. And this is the question number one. Come on. You guys have 5 minutes with you. I can't see anyone to interact as of now online. I'll just not. I'll ignore all of this. Okay. Come on, everyone. Be quick to. Okay. Be quick. Be quick. Come on. It's easy, right? Okay. So now let's discuss. Okay. Okay. Now I will discuss. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Just give me a second now. What's the problem over here? Uh, Hope now it's again sorted. Yeah, yeah. Now we are back again. Okay, so show the relation R in the set 1 to 3. Given R is equals to 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 is reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. So we'll discuss one by one. Okay. See the values 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3. So we have 1 2 3. We got 1 1. We got 2 2. Got 3 3. What else do we need to make reflexive? Okay, I'm changing the ink as you said. Now what else do we need to make it reflexive? No. We need anything else? No, right? Correct. So it is reflexive. No. See, currently we are just seeing it for example. So it is like that we are doing it directly. But when we will solve it, we won't do it directly. Obviously, we will have some more steps to write, and we will go through the steps, and as well as yeah, we'll make sure about that as well. Sometimes you will have to prove. Then we won't be taking the values as obvious. But when we don't have to prove and all of that stuff, then we can take the values directly and we can do it like this. But yeah, this type of question won't come. I am currently just building a base and explaining you. That was very obvious. Don't ask such dumb question. We definitely have a level. No, we cannot just take the values and say that see it is reflexive, see it is not. No, we cannot do that. Currently we are doing that because currently we are just starting with the topic. In webcam had a problem. Now, okay. Okay, wait, there's some streaming problem as well. I can. Okay. Okay. Yes, everybody. So reflexive done. Then we'll look for symmetric. Symmetric we have 1, 2, 2, 3. See, we won't consider these. Why? 1, 1. Then the second is again 1, 1. So 1, 1's symmetric will come out to be 1, 1, right? So it will have no change. So no matter discussing it. Symmetric. Discuss ahead. We'll discuss 1, 2 and 2, 3. We have 1, 2. Then 2, 3. But for symmetric we need 1, 2. And we are missing 2, 1. Wait, let me just write it with different thing. What we are missing out on 2 1. Then we are missing out on 3 2 as well. We have 2 3, but we are not having 3 2, right? So these two are missing. That's why it is not symmetric. Okay, then let's come to transitive. We'll discuss transitive. We'll have transitive. It will be 1 2 and 2 3. So it's going good till here, but we need one more set to make it transitive. That will be this first and last, right? As told. So that will be 1 3. So we don't have that. That is missing. It is not even transitive because that value is also not given over there. So now I hope you all are clear why it was not transitive and symmetric. It was only reflexive. No question. Only reflexive, but neither symmetric nor transitive. Clear, proved. Have everyone got it? Presentation we are not going to see today. Firstly, we will go through the questions, and once we are done with it, presentation we will note it down. Maybe we'll go at the end of the class, but I don't think so. You guys will be able to cover the syllabus then. Not moving at a very fast pace, right? And it's fine. It's a first class. We can go slow. All cool. Guys, don't need to worry about that. Mhm. Okay, so I'll just reflexive. See, we are going to see properties of reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. You guys can read it yourself, and then I will tell you about anti-symmetric property. Okay, because reflexive, symmetric, and transitive I've already discussed. See, as it is written over here also, each element will be related to itself. So one is related to itself, right? One, one, two, two, three, three. So they are being related to themselves only. Yeah. So we are right on this. Then, if we talk about symmetric and transitive, symmetric element is related to another, then the reserve is also true. So like 1 2 and 2 1, 1 3 and 3 1, 5 8 and 8 5. Very good. So it will be true and its reverse will also be true. Then we talk about transitive. A relation is transitive if the relation from A to C via B holds. What they're trying to say, A to B, then B to C, A B and B C. So AC will also be true. 1 2 and 2 3, then 1 3 will also be true. Okay, so you guys are clear till here. You guys know what I'm trying to say till here. You guys know what they're writing over here. Now we are talking about asymmetric properties or anti-symmetric properties. A means anti only, A means negative. Okay, I hope everyone knows that by now. Okay, so if AB and BA are in a relation, then it must be equal. Then A must be equal B. Now, well, let's just leave this property as of now. It's not coming in your first or second exercise. It will be starting from your third exercise, so we can leave it as of now. I'll tell you later on what I mean by this property or what this property holds or where it will come in your exam. Come on, currently, no, wait. Just give me a second. Okay, yeah, domain, codomain, and range. Okay. After this, we'll move to questions because our first two exercise will be highly on this. There's a small discussion of one or two things more that won't harm much. You guys will be able to go through the exercise even without doing that. Okay. So, firstly, uh, I would like to discuss again domain, codomain, and range. Now we have three different heavy words, right? So there will be three different things to talk about that. So we are having these three different words, or is it like that? What do you guys think? Come on, it's been 30 minutes, no break as of now. Nah, you guys even right. कुछ कुछ लिखा करो. Okay. Okay, by the way, how many of you guys are knowing Hindi as well? Okay. Yeah, you can tell me if you guys want the class to go in Hindi. Okay, just give me a second. Just a second. Uh, no song. Just give me 1 minute. I'm having important convo. Yeah, but no. I didn't mean that. Yeah. Come on, bro. You know me. Okay. No, Kunal, it's a bad idea actually. No, going live was great, but like I don't know much enough. Yeah. Hmm. Okay, codomain, domain, and range. Yeah, what were your answers? So, okay, I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you guys. See, first, you guys know domain. What is domain? I hope everyone is aware of domain. See, let us see example and discuss it, right? There are some of you guys who know about me only. I've just made two diagrams. Again, no one will judge my drawing. So just connect them and we'll make sets, right? I hope this much everyone is clear. Like if I connect 1 and A, so it will become 1 comma A, right? So this will be called my domain. I get the first letter from here. This will be called my codomain. Now, if this is domain and this is codomain, then what is range, right? Now let's say I make two and I have my sets as 1 comma A, 2 comma B, 1 comma C, comma, sorry, 3 comma A, 3 comma B, 3 comma C. That's it. Okay. So I have A, B, C. My range will include A, B, C. So D is excluded or not present. Okay. Because it is not present over here also. So yeah. Of course, my range and my codomain can be same. This can be my range as well, but not necessarily. Range can be this and cannot be this. We don't know. But codomain codomain can be equal to range and cannot be equal to range. That's possible. But range can be shorter or equal to range. But there will be something that will be called range. There will be something that will be called codomain. So we need a separate name for everything, right? The actual set of outputs that the function can produce, the set of all possible outputs defined by the function. All possible outputs, like universal set is having all the outputs, then the set of actual outputs that can be produced will be my range. Now domain will be set of inputs or set of x in terms of x and y. So x will be our domain or set of inputs of the function. If you guys need the PDF, you can message me on Insta or on my mail and I will send you guys the PDF. Okay. Okay, let me just see. Messages pop हो रहे हैं क्या? नहीं पॉप हो रहे हैं, क्यों फालतू टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करो. Don't waste time. Okay. Okay, we have a function over here. Let's see the example. Let's just discuss it. Okay. So if the function is x square, so my y is equals to x square, right? So all the real numbers are in my domain. So in codomain or range, all the negative numbers will turn positive. This much everyone knows. So all non-negative real numbers will be my codomain and all non-negative real number will be my range as well. But if I restrict my range to or my domain to 7 to minus 7, right? If I restrict my domain to this 7 and minus 7, so my range will get restricted to 49 as well, from 2 to 49 or from 1 to 49, right? So by this case, I can restrict my range, but not my codomain. Okay, so my domain can be shorter, so that will affect my range, not domain. Okay. So everyone is clear. In this case, that's not possible because it depends on the function. I cannot add anything by myself in the domain if it is not given in the function. Okay, everyone. Types of function. Yeah, I told you last thing. This is last thing I promise you. After this, we don't have any more slides of functions. This is the extended part of that only. After that, we have constant linear quadratic polynomial. So this will be your chill. That's not function. We won't be doing that today. Chill. Okay. We were doing relations and we have come to functions. If you guys noticed, right? Right? Am I clear? I'm only covering the parts of relations today. Don't make it a ruckus. 1 on 2. Okay. I'm not discussing it. We have discussed only ranges. Okay. We will discuss it after some time. No. This is too less to be done today. We will discuss little bit of relation and little bit of function as well. 1 on 2 and all that part we'll discuss, and then I'll give you 10 questions each. And okay, we can do one more thing. This was our first class, so I can leave the class. Not now. That will be too early to leave, right? After 1 on 2 and into functions, we can leave the class, and I'll give you the questions, and you guys can come up with the answers tomorrow. Not tomorrow, yeah, obviously on Friday, and we can discuss later on. Okay. So we have discussed how many slides after 13 slides today. Actually, let me check. Only 6 slides, dude. 16 slides. I'm doing 13. What are you doing? We have only 13 slides. We have 2-3 more topics that are not being mentioned over here. We will do till here. No, we're not leaving before this. Come on, don't make it a ruckus again. Shut up. You guys who will see it online must be wondering that am I talking to walls or something, but you guys won't be able to hear any of the sound except mine, okay? Because there is noise reduction, like there's some setting or something. I don't know much. If you guys know, you can tell me that what happens so that you don't like, yeah, obviously if someone will shout, you will be able to hear that, but generally you won't be able to hear that. They know. Okay. It's not like a big class. You only have 2, 3, 4 of them are present today. I'll show them to you. It will be fun. Come on. Okay, so we are waiting for 5 minutes. Not like waiting. We'll just give some questions to all of you for 5 minutes. Solve those questions, and after that we can move to 1 and on to, not end the class after 1 and on to, and after that we'll give the class till here only. It was our first chapter and it is a easy chapter, so we will have 1 hour classes, and once we will move on to different chapters, we will have 2 hour classes. Okay. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me solve the questions. Oh, is it like that? Oh, why are you doing all this? I'm not able to shout today at you, and you're just taking advantage of that, right? 1 and on to is needed, bro, for second exercise only. Types of functions. It is only types of functions. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive has been done. We will learn types of function, and in depth we will go into types of functions a little later on. And yeah, I will give 2 3 difficult questions as well. I am giving you question number 15th of NCERT class 12 book. Those who are using the book can directly take the question. Those who are not using the book, the question is on the board, and I'll give you 3 questions, and we are not discussing those questions today, or we can discuss it if you want to. I don't have a problem, but I know you guys, so we are discussing it today. That doesn't mean that we won't do it. We'll have to do it and do this question number 5. 15. This is question number 15. Wait, I'm giving you 2 more questions. Don't open your book. Come on, please behave like a class. Let me see a good question. No? Question number 10 and 11. These 2 questions are good. 10, 11, and 15. Okay. No, no, no. Even they are alive. Like, they are also online. That is my batch going on. Like, okay. Yeah. If, by the way, now I'm talking only to the children or someone who will see me on my YouTube or Twitch right now or afterwards. If any one of you don't know me, so myself first. Just took a break, so I'm talking about myself here. And if you are liking the video by till now, you can like, comment, subscribe. And if any one of you need any private guidance or something, you can message me on Instagram or you can message me on mail. And if someone is in need of a private tutor, so that's my main USP. I have tutored more than 60 students. I have been tutoring from past 3 years. I'm registered on platforms like Superprof and all, but you guys can directly like message me and talk to me. Why do you need to register at any platform? But yeah, if you guys want to know more about me or something like that, just follow my Insta. Or no, I haven't. Okay, I'll just make a video in some time about who am I and all and what do I do, and I'll just pinch that every time because I don't like to talk about that same thing again and again. If you guys go through the first video, right, so I've told about who am I and all, so I won't repeat all that. But yeah, if anyone is in need or something like that, you can just ask me your doubts and all. Need proper guidance, proper coaching, then only contact me. Otherwise, no need of a coaching. You have plenty of good content going on YouTube, and I'm not talking about myself. I'm not boasting myself. I am the like right now. I'm going to make a single video or something. There are good creators out there, right? On YouTube too. It was fun. It was fun. Like, comment, and subscribe. This was the best what I've done. It feels like I'm forcing you guys to like. Is it like that? What you guys? There are 3 people. Come on, by unko they are not even understanding your context. Yeah, by the way, the USP over here is if you are having that language barrier, right? I'm taking the complete class in English, live as well as in my private classes. So that is the main thing that you guys can cater from here. If you are good in Hindi or you need a good teacher and that's present in your own Hindi language or your language, then if you feel that this class is going better for you, that's great. But if you are having that barrier in English, you can look for other class as well, bro. Everyone is teaching great out there. But yeah, if you are facing any problem with English, then of course, you love to see you. These are 3 questions. You guys solve the question, and I will be back in a minute. I will just a minute. Huh? Like I am over. I'm listening to you guys. If you guys just switching off my camera, so told you guys already. Okay, it went quite wrong, right? Yeah. Now it's better. 10 minutes. Okay. नहीं किया. You guys haven't done it. Yeah, you guys are irritating actually. Please do it, bro. Come on, it will help you. Come on, bro. Serious. So, okay, listen. Keep it as your homework for today. 3 questions only. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay? I'm discussing one on two into and all. Then leave. So we will end the class only at one and on two. Okay? You aimed for 95. Okay? It won't happen like that. Come on. Serious. Be a man. Nobody. Seriously. Study. Otherwise, we can talk in Hindi as well. So in Hindi, I'll definitely shout better. Don't do all of this. Come on. Just show your face on live to your mom. Share the link. Okay, types of functions. One on two. Okay, don't read it like this. Wait. Come on, file. See, firstly we'll discuss one. Okay, as the name suggests, one. And there is one more thing. Many one. Now, what is this? I'll tell you afterward. Firstly, tell me what will be this. Take a guess. So two and one. Like 1C, 2C, 3A. Yeah, lack of practice. 3A, 4D. So what will be this? One or many one? Correct, many one. Why many one? Because many, like one and two, both are going for one. Many, two, one. Now, if it would have been one, so if like one has gone to C, so two had to go to B. So in one, your like every element will have a single element. Okay. Every element of domain will have a single element in codomain. Okay. So there will be only one element on both the sides. You guys need to remember this, that one element on this side and one element on this side only. Elements won't repeat in one on one. But in many can go for one can go for many, one can go for many is never the case. Dumbo, many can go for one is the only case. For x and y, right? This is nothing different. We are going from equations to here over here. So when we used to do equations of x and y, so your x and y, your equation will go from many to one. Like for many values of x, we can have a single value of y. Now for one value of y, we cannot have many values of x because we write the function in way of x. In yeah, x is the variable that we have defined and y is the variable that we find. Okay. So if you guys are having doubt on this, I will explain it to you. You can just message me. You are facing difficulty with this and all equations and all. So that means your basics are not clear. You can tell me, we can discuss that, but we won't discuss it as of now because all everyone who is clear with the basics, who can understand it quickly, will just hamper their time, right? So we'll just move ahead. I hope many one is clear. So come to the presentation. 101. Each element of the domain maps to the unique element of the codomain, right? So 1 1, the diagram would be something like this: 1 2 A B C D, A C 2A 4D. Okay, so like it can be in any pattern, but one element will go with another. On to means, okay, on to and into. We need to discuss that first. Wait, before coming to on to and into, I would like to ask a question on 1 1 and shall we go for on to first, or shall we discuss 1 1 many one? Uh, I have to think of it now. Okay, I can do that like this. Yeah, this would be perfect. Now tell me, it is 1 1 or not? Why? It is 1 1. One element to one element. One element to one element. One element is being repeated. It is 1 1. Now we have one more concept called onto and into. So tell me, will it be onto or into? Luckily, you guys are correct. It is into. It is into because it is not onto because all the elements of Y are not covered. So onto case will have its codomain and its range equal. Okay. So when the codomain and range will be equal, in this case, we will call it onto. That is a logical thing. I'm not talking about this to right. Okay. But in onto, your all the elements of Y will be covered. Right? Like if it would have been something like this, would have been considered onto and not many one. Okay, we have something known as onto and we would have discussed that. Now 1 1 is injective and onto is surjective. And did I told you guys that we don't have any many one function? So I'm sorry for that. Many one functions are there. Okay, just like no. So what have I told wrong? No. Nah. Yeah. So many one I haven't said right. It won't be there, right? So what's the problem? So one to many won't be there. Yeah. So one to many won't be there. No. One to many is not there. If I told that, so I'm wrong. Sorry. If I told you that one to many can be there, many one cannot be there. That's not possible. It won't go from like it cannot be there. Yeah, like one to many cannot be there. It can go like we have 5 and 6 as well over here. Wait a second. Wait. You guys are getting confused. Sorry if confusion caused by me. I'm adding over here. Okay, 6, 7. So you guys can have many one, but you cannot have one many. Like one function of this cannot go for 2, 3 functions. Okay, that's not possible. I hope this is clear. And I was trying to say that only. One x cannot have many y, one y can have many x. Like, yeah, you guys are correct. One can have many x. Okay, but don't have many x. Okay, focus on math. Cause math won't. Yeah, like math won't. You know, if you will give time to math, it will give you marks. That's all I can say. If you will give time to that, that can give you marks, some deep marks. Okay. Okay. It's not a anti-Romeo class, a math class, and I'm not against all of this. Mine did went well. Okay. Okay, 1 1. Where each x maps to a unique y. On to the codomain is uh, on to either support. Read it from every element of the codomain is mapped by at least one element of the domain. On to read this. Okay, this is an example. Codomain is non-negative. Forget about that. Just that example is repeated again. 1 to 1 is bijective. Now, when it is 1 1 and on to both, it is called bijective. Injective, surjective, bijective. Now, injective, surjective, and bijective are important name. ISB is ISB. We write that injective, surjective, and bijective. Don't title like this, just to tell you that is important. So please don't forget that. Remember that we have discussed it before also. That symmetric and transitive. You Firstly you come drunk, then you say a lot. No. See, by the way, everyone who's Ravi is not drunk or anything like that. It was just a joke. Okay. Yeah, we will do. This is easy. Okay. Try it at home. Take a screenshot of the slide, everyone, and you guys will be able to do it. You don't, you won't be able to. Oh, but you don't irritate me. Okay, so if anyone is thinking that I'm humiliating him a lot, so it's not like that. He is more of a friend to me than a student. He has been with me to genuinely like a friend, not like only professional level. He's genuinely like a friend to me because I'm not very older, right? So he's my somewhat like my younger brother. Yeah, and he's not minding anything. So yeah, that's it. You guys can try this question, and those three are your homework. That's it. I'm ending the class as of now. And now I'll see you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll try to wind up this chapter. And tomorrow we will wind this chapter no matter how much time it takes. It won't take more than 1.5 hours. Yes. Bye everyone. See you guys on Friday, not tomorrow. Friday. Yeah, tomorrow we have accounts. Yeah, by the way, if you guys need classes for accounts or economics or commerce or math or English, so it was just for fun. You cannot ask everything from me. But if you guys need classes for accounts, you can just tell me and we can arrange for that as well. We had a plan, but then we thought that let's keep it to maths because accounts will be a little hectic. And let's see if you guys are in a need, you can tell me. I can take accounts, but accounts is more of a practicing subject. Like I cannot explain it to you and it will be easy. It's not like that. Even if anyone, even the best teacher will explain to you, you still have to practice that subject a lot. Maths has been done by you from class first, so now you guys know, and it is in your practice. Accounts is a new subject, you need to give time to that. And yeah, that's all. Cool from my side. Like